Now I'm going to quickly show you how to measure something like this. You've got your tape, and I just pull the tape measure out like that, and then I'm going to grab it and flip it upside down. Okay? And then I'm going to hang on to that and just keep doing that. Okay? So I can go like that, set it down on the bottom plate and look up there, and it's 62 7/8. That's easier. I mean, you can do this way too. You can push it up like that. When you're like this, you got to get your knee up there, let your knee pull it down, and then you got to look down. And sometimes you have to measure like that. But if it's up over my head, I like to just set it down there and look up there and look right at the point, 62 7/8. Okay, you see how I did that? Pull the tape out about yay far, grab it here, and then like that. Boom. Okay, and that's right at 63. Okay, 62 7/8 and 63 is what I want.